Shalom Israel, giving all praise to Yahweh. Hashem Yahushua, Hashem Chakadash, double honor to the elders of GMS. Taught us his truth. Um, uh, risking freedom and the life to do so. And to spread the word of the Lord and the gospel and the truth of the Bible. Risking their freedom and their life to do so. Um, Peace be unto you, brothers, that also under the branch of the elders of GMS puts this word, not fearing the persecution or the life we risk for this world, for this word. Okay, this is gonna be a video about chemotherapy and Esau's quote unquote standard of health and medication is actually killing more people than it's healing them. You see? And this is his way of pretty much making money. This is how he makes money. You see? And I'm just gonna play a little bit of the video because I don't want to get flagged, you know. And I'm gonna stop it right there. As you know, Esau, the doctors get paid from implementing certain drugs in surgery, especially when it comes to chemotherapy. And a lot of people have died off of the greed of these E's. You see, and if you don't know, that's Esau Edom. This is Job 13 verse 4. Job 13 verse 4. But ye are forgers of lies, ye are all physicians of no value. Okay, so what is a physician? Let's search. Let's search for physician. Uh, let's see. Let's see. A person qualified to practice medicine. A person who cures moral and spiritual ills. A healer. Um, but to practice medicine, but not the medicine they describe. Okay, it's the medicine of the healing of the body, with herbs, and certain certain herbs, things like that can heal somebody. See what it says, but ye are forces of lies. That's Esau. Esau forges lies, meaning you write lies. Forge means to write. You see, they write in law lies. Person who produces fraudulent copies or imitation. You see, counterfeiter. That's what it means to forge something. They're forgers of lies. They say, look, this is good, this is right, but it's really a lie. You see, this is life. Ye are all physicians of no value, meaning they're doctors or they're medical doctors, the doctor of medicine, MDs. They're um, of no value because actually they do more harm than good. You see, and the reason why this is because the scriptures say the love of money is the root of all evil. Okay, so this is Proverbs 21:26. He covets he covets greedily all the day long, but the righteous giveth and spareth not. See, he covets greedily all the day long. A part of him covetously being greedy, is the fact that he's giving all these type of chemical therapies and all type of poisons to those that don't need it. You see, this is a prescription painkiller. Drugs kill more people than murders or car accidents in the U.S. Right, so for you brothers that might have some type of pain, try to stay away from these drugs, man, because side effects and everything else in it is gonna kill you ultimately. Uh, it says death caused by overdosing on painkillers now surpass murders and fatal car accidents in the U.S. America's rising drug problem recently received renewed attention following the death of Philip Seymour Hoffman. 46-year-old Oscar-winning actor died from a heroin overdose on February 2nd. Last year, Hoffman entered rehab when addiction to prescription over-the-counter painkillers led him to switch to heroin. U.S. officials now acknowledge that narcotic painkillers are in fact a driving force in the rise of substance abuse and lethal overdoses. Right, because what Esau is prescribing you is actually killing you. And I was reading a documentary about the situation AIDS in Africa. And as we know, the Edomites, the Boers of South Africa were actually giving the native Africans AIDS through vaccinations. So they said the only people that had AIDS was the ones that went to the doctor. Why? Because the doctor had gave them vaccinations, which ultimately made them contract AIDS and killing them. You see, because Esau is about greed and money and destruction. This is Sirach 38:1. Honor and position with the honor due unto him for the uses which he may have of him, for the Lord hath created him. For the Most High cometh healing, and he shall receive honor to the king of the king. The skill of the physician shall lift up his head. In the sight of great men, he should be in admiration. Physician is those that heal people. The Lord hath created medicine out of the earth, and he that is wise will not abhor them. See, because the medicine that we have comes off the earth. You see? So the Lord hath created medicines out of the earth. And that is what we need to heal ourselves. Herbs. So with that, shalom. Till next time, shalom.